Hi, this is Charles. I'm currently in front of the Kagurazaka station. So before I'm gonna explore the area, there's a famous Akagi shrine here. So let's check it out. In this area, one of the things that they recommend to try is the Chinese bun. Try this one. I just bought this pork bun. See the steam. You are in the French Quarter when you see this branch pole. So I'm now off the main street. It's like cobblestone, and this area used to be the old geisha district, but now it's few French restaurants and cafes. Basically, you have to walk away from the main street and just at the side streets, and you have all these nice alleyways. Next to Idabashi station, behind me there is the railway line, and also there is a canal. You know, this area is quite western because there's a church over there. I'm approaching the Tokyo Daijinku. That's all for my visit to Kagurazaka district here in Tokyo. If you ask me, would I come here for the French atmosphere, I would say it's not very authentic. However, the highlight of this area is the shrine, the Daijingu shrine. Okay, that's all for now. Bye bye.